Hello and welcome! Are you interested in curtain injections, foundation pit sealing and tunnel sealing with acrylic gel? Today I would like to introduce you to the advantages of polygel and show you what makes it different from other acrylic gels you may know. As a manufacturer, we have made sure that the gel is versatile and that you can adjust it yourself to the desired reaction time. With polygel, you only need one gel for all processing times, no matter if fast or slow reaction. This saves you unnecessary storage and capital tie-up, and you always have the right product on site. It was important to us that polygel has such a stable gel body that it remains leak-proof in the long term, even under chemical and mechanical stress. The controlled and above all reversible swelling is important to the sealing success. Polygel has no syneresis. Syneresis is the separation of water from the gel body, which leads to shrinkage and thus to leakage. This is why it is very important to us that polygel is free of syneresis. If you have a special task and you think that a standard gel is not enough, then take a look at our additives. The most popular is Hydroblock Polyblend 540, a polymer additive that dramatically improves the properties of polygel. The reaction product becomes even more elastic, it shrinks less in dry periods and it becomes chemically more stable. Sealyblend 535 is the perfect additive when a truly extreme water stop is required, or when a large cavity needs to be securely filled and sealed. The reaction product is a water-soluble stone. When we were involved in the rescue mission of the TBM Gabi 2 in the Gotthard Tunnel, polygel with additive Hydrox AK was used to inject the rescue umbrella. Thanks to Hydrox AK, it was possible to use normal steel pumps without corrosion damage. The same applies, of course, to the protection of the reinforcement. If this convinces you, use Hydroblock Polygel for your waterproofing work in the future. My team and I look forward meeting up with you. My name is Michaela Müller-Kaya. And by the way, we also have PU and silicate gels for bottom sealing projects.